Look at what I have, front door fashion. Let's open this huge box and check it out. I'll be right back. So I hope you don't mind, but I thought I would kick off this front door fashion try on with the second grouping. This is an outfit out of the second grouping, and just look at it. I couldn't resist starting with it. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about front door fashion. And I didn't want to take up a lot of time with doing the unboxing and going through that because we have so many outfits to try on. So this is my second front door fashion box. The first one I wasn't doing videos yet, so I don't have that recorded. Anyway, on my screen how they come. So it comes in that large box that you saw in the intro, and then they're on hangers in groupings, and they're in this garment bag. So they come in the garment bag, and in the garment bag was your goodies of information and your return address label. And within the groupings, you have different things they encourage you to mix and match and try on. My first one, the groupings were tied with rubber bands, but with this one, I have accessories in all three. So they were tied off with the accessory bags. Okay. And what else do I want to tell you? So with front door fashion, there is no styling fee. If you can imagine, you get all these wonderful outfits to try on in the comfort of your own home, and there is no styling fee. What they do is they ask for a credit card and they put a $100 hold on your credit card. However, most of the items are close to $100 value or more. And what happens is anything that you purchase, they'll put that $100 toward. Say you send everything back, nothing worked, which would be hard to imagine, but if nothing worked, then, and you send everything back, you would have that $100 refunded. So it's a win-win situation. Let's talk about this second grouping. This skirt is just so gorgeous. It's got like a shimmery gold to it and black. Let me see if I can get it closer here to the camera, kind of show you like that. Isn't that amazing? And then I wish you could feel it. It is so soft. It has a skirt underneath, and I'll read all the details to you from my computer. The sheet that they give you, the print's too small for me to read off of that. Anyway, then this is a Michael Stars rib top, which the fit is wonderful. It feels great. My only qualm is with so many tops this summer, this season, the arm is so low. My bra shows. Now, I got a special bra from Amazon that, comes down in a V, so that, that we should avoid that problem, but I can't seem to. So I would probably wear a black bralette with this maybe, or something underneath. And then look at this necklace. I hope it shimmers in the light so that you can see how shimmery it is. It's amazing. The jewelry they send in this I have little kittens running around. We're fostering 2 babies right now, and they're adorable, but they're very busy. They come in this velvet pouch that if you keep all the items in it, that you would be able to keep it also. I won't put the earrings on because I'm probably not going to purchase them, but they are just as shimmery. See how well they go with the necklace? Okay, let's talk about the details of this, and then we'll play a little bit more. So the skirt is called Colleen skirt. It is abstract tie-dye, although I would call it more animal print, but they call it abstract tie-dye. Tarte Collections is the designer, and it's $148. This is worth $148, I can tell you right now. Then the Michael Stars top in black. It's a Cara top, Kara, and $128 for this. The skirt is a medium, the top is a large, and it has a lot of stretch and give to it. I think it's a good fit. All right, the necklace is a gold white crystal Kendra Scott, and there's definitely crystals in it. Kendra Scott Jacqueline tennis necklace, and it's $98. And then the earrings were gold. I'm not going to know if I'll say this right. Bob Labar, Sybil Pave oval hoops, $42. So the earrings are very reasonable. Okay, let me, I think that you could dress this up even more, although it's already pretty dressy. What if you added a belt? And then I have a Calvin Klein little jacket that I wear for more formal type events. And you could wear this. And of course the earrings. And then I have this Dulce Vita bag that I'm trying out. I have it from Amazon. I'm going to do a video on several things from there. But anyway, how gorgeous would this be? Now, to me, this screams mother of the bride or groom, or you're going to a company function, award night or something like that, because it's just very dressy. Now, you could potentially dress it down. I think it would be difficult to dress this down. However, she sent this other top with it. Let me show you that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and get it all on and be right back. I believe you could successfully dress this down. So I swapped out my shoes and this top. I actually took this top out of the third grouping. But anyway, because I love the color with this, I think that this would work. And I'm thinking outdoor concert, maybe visiting a winery. I like it casual too. So I think it would work both ways, which I'm a little surprised, but because it's so dressy and so gorgeous, but I think it could be dressed down pretty successfully. What do you think? And then I got my little straw bag. We're just going to go out. Loving this skirt, as you can see. I did have one other thing to show you as far as talking about dressing it down. Yeah. She had this button down. It's a Michael Stars button down. She had this in this second grouping. So it could either be worn like this possibly, or if you wanted to button a couple buttons and then tie it, do like a little tie top. It might work. We have one more thing in this grouping, and that is a pair of pink shorts. I'm very impressed by my stylist, Bailey, Baylee is her name. And in her note, she said that she added pink shorts because she saw them on my Pinterest board. So she did look at my Pinterest board and added items related to that. So I really appreciate that. I'll be back with the pink shorts and then we'll move on. Our last outfit in this second grouping has the shorts in it. So these are pink linen shorts, and I have the Michael Stars top on with this. Now these shorts, I think they're a great fit. They have elastic waist, pockets in the back, and pockets in the front. I like the fit. I like the length. Nice linen shorts, but they're not too hot. And then I kind of like this out over top of it better. And then I have to tell you the details about the shorts and this button down top that I tried on with the skirt. So let's talk about these. The shorts are $15.20 is the designer. They're linen shorts in pink, and this is a size large. They're $154. And then the button down was Michael Stars natural size medium, Charlie button down $168. So that's everything in this second grouping. And now we're going to go backwards and go into the first grouping. So let's do that. Okay, first item up in the first grouping, we have this beautiful Be Cool top. When I saw the label was Be Cool, I knew it was going to be great because I had one in my last front door fashion box and it just feels so soft and smooth. The fit is wonderful. I have tags everywhere, so ignore that. The shorts, I feel like they're just a little snug. They're gorgeous. They have the belt is attached and it has this gold. Is it attached? No, it will come off, but it came with the shorts and it has this gold D-ring. Beautiful, beautiful shorts. I just feel like they're a little snug, but I think that the next size up would be too big. Plus, these are large. I don't really want to go to an extra large. So I'm afraid, even though they're so gorgeous, I'm afraid they're going to be a no. Back pockets are functional and front pockets. Color combination is beautiful. The chain that came with this is a necklace, just a chain necklace. I think that with my skin tone, it doesn't really show up. Of course, it would show up over top of something, but it just, to me, doesn't really show up much. I got earrings too. I have something similar, or I would get these because I love those. Perfect length. You got your mixed metals, like those, but I have a pair very, very similar. So anyway, great outfit. The top is probably going to be a keeper, but the shorts I feel are a little too tight. Let's talk about what these items are. The shorts are Bishop and Young. The color is sand, beautiful color. Gaia HR 2.75 short, $115 for the shorts, which I think would be reasonable if they fit. The top is Be Cool, cap at top in mocha, and it's large. And I was right about the shorts; they're large. I don't want to go to extra large. And the top is $45, which is not bad for Be Cool. I mean, I really love this top. It's probably going to be a keeper. So we've got another outfit in this grouping, and I'll be right back with that. So here's the funny thing about sizes. As you know, they run differently from brand to brand. These pants are a large, and look how, I mean, they could just about fall off. I can't even, I mean, the amount of how big they are is just amazing. And they are long too. I'm back in my heels because they're pretty long. Now, I think the length would be almost okay. Of course, if they fit with heels, but you definitely would need heels with these. And then one thing I love, look at this design, how this strap comes down at an angle and then buttons. Love that. Really, really love that. Because you've got a button inside and then you've got this one on the outside, very decorative. So got pockets. I think they would be nice if they fit. Then this cow neck top, I think, is a little bit loose on me too. Yeah, so both of these are kind of large. Let me tell you about these. And then we're going to get into the third grouping. I already looked at everything. And I think what I'll do is I'll come out with everything on and then start taking the layers off because they kind of work that way. So let me tell you about these two items. And I don't think I told you about the jewelry either. All right. So these pants are Victoria HR 31-inch inseam. Wide leg pant. The designer is Drew, and she sent them in large, which, like I said, I definitely could have taken a medium. The color is sand, and they're $274. Very dressy. I mean, they're gorgeous pants. The material feels nice. Then this cow neck top is Renee C, size large in ivory, and it would be $79. So I think these two are definitely a no. Let's do the third grouping and then we'll wrap it all up. Oh, wait, you know what? I keep forgetting to tell you about this jewelry. So the jewelry in this first grouping was the mixed metal earrings, Zenzi Nicole Link earrings, $45. And then the chain necklace is The Bobble Bar, $88. I told you I was going to layer, and layer I did. These are all the items in the third and last grouping. The button down that I'm wearing, I just love the color. So it's a velvet heart top. I like how it comes down in the back, covers your bum if you want it covered. And like I said, I love the color, love the fit. It would need a little bit of de-wrinkling help. Very soft material, easy to wear. So I do like that. I was thinking that Dulce Vita bag that we looked at earlier would go with this too. And then I have on my rope sandals that all the colors kind of blend together well. All right. So if we take this off, then we have this sweater vest. I would call it, it's like a sweater vest. And it has the same issue where I would have to wear something underneath it. But it is cute. I like the stripes. I like the color. Pretty sweater. And then we'll take that off and we've got another top on underneath that I just adore. So I'm probably going to keep this one. This is a tee and I love the color. I love the fit, how it comes down on my neck. And I wore one of this is my Brighton necklace because all that came in the third grouping was a pair of earrings and I thought these would look great with that. So they are pretty. Nice and thick. I like that. They don't feel like they would be too heavy on my ears. All right, so then we've got this brown tee. I'm going to read all the details. These pants are listed as capris, but for me, I mean, they come down pretty low, and I'm almost 5'6", so that doesn't make much sense. They're a little snug as well, and I think they're probably too snug. Got pockets here, tight to get into, and then pockets in the back as well. They are pretty. I love the color. Like I said, the length, I don't mind the length, but I wouldn't have called them capris. They're more like ankle length. All right. So let's talk about all these items, what they are, and what the cost is. So the first, the velvet heart that I showed you, that's in maple syrup, is the color. Size medium. It's called a Riley shirt, and it's $98. Then this is the Nellie T. Gentle Fawn is the designer, and it's in sienna. I have a sienna dress that I got, and it is $52. Very soft. And then we have the silver hoops that you saw. They are Gorhana loose statement hoops, $80. Then with these pants are size 8. I would probably take a 10 maybe. They're in white and they're Crosby HR 26 inch and then $158. The last thing is, the sweater, the Cora sweater in Gentle Fawn. Oh, Gentle Fawn is the designer in taupe stripe and it's $78. So that's everything. And I am thinking that, here's what I'm thinking right now. I will probably go for the skirt, even though I don't have a ton of places to wear it, but I hate to let this go by. And then I'd never find another one like it again, because I really do love this skirt. Like this top. It would probably be a cross between this Be Cool top or this one. I don't necessarily think I would want both. So that's what I'm thinking right now. But I could change my mind. And I could change, see about getting the sand colored shorts in a larger size, because I really did like those. So anyway, let me know what your favorites were. This was a lot of fun. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thanks.